Today we're going to assemble the Magnum Shear 626, which is the 26-inch model from Bullet Tools, and laid out on the table is everything you'll find in the box. We've got a table, a head, a tail, rails, attachments, and of course handle. Here we've got the fences and to attach to a shear stand. We've got the mounting brackets there. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to attach the table and the rails to the head. The only tools you're going to need are a number 2 and a number 3 Phillips screwdriver. So tails first, or of course screw gun. Number 3. Fasteners. The largest machine screw is what you're going to need, and you put these little aluminum washers on the fasteners that go through the head. Keep in mind these are metal screws, and it's an aluminum rail system. So be careful not to go so tight that you strip anything. Same event with the tail, but you use the shorter machine screws. And there are no washers for these. Now we've got the table. Before we install the table, we're going to want to release the pressure on this head, take it all the way up. So that's where the handle comes into play. Take this, fit it directly into the cam, and tighten this with the Allen wrench that's included. And when you install this specific bolt, you want to make sure it goes in extremely tight. It's a huge bolt, you're not going to strip it, but if it loosens, it causes issues in use. Unlock the head. Now you've released the table. Release the head so you have access to the table. Now the screws you would use for that are the short machine screws, and you want to get these in place by hand first. Careful of the blade, very, very sharp. So getting these started by hand makes a lot of sense because once again these are steel screws, an aluminum head, so you don't want to cross thread these things. Now the assembly on the 620, which is the 20-inch model of this, is almost identical. The only real difference is the fact that you've got different mounting brackets for your shear stand. These screws go in the tail end. Now we get to the point where we're putting fences on the tool. This is where a lot of people get confused. First and foremost, wide side goes towards the table. So the wide side goes inside and attaches to this hinge. So there are a couple tricks to this. First off, the bolt kit comes vacuum sealed with the mounting brackets. There's several different screws and nuts that go with that. So you're going to want to take the two longer, two middle-sized screws. Here's one of the tricks. Just get these in the fence first, and then get them in the holes. Because if you're trying to line this up all at the same time, it's a real pain. Okay, trick number one. Now you have the swing arm that mounts underneath the table itself and attaches to the fence. So you use that screw to go through the table and then into the arm itself. Now you've got these three pieces. You've got the bushing, which is a spacer. You've got the nylock, and you've got the screw itself. Now, the screw itself goes, I screwed that up, the nylock actually goes on the bottom of that. Apologize. Nylock goes on the bottom of this nut, or bottom of this screw to hold on the bottom arm. The long screw goes through the bottom arm, and then goes through the fence itself. And then you have the lock that keeps it in place for where you want to tighten it down. So if you need an angle that big, you can lock it down at that angle. Need it stationary, stay stationary. And then repeat those steps for the other side.